we're supposed to clean my room first. Dear Tim and Moby, how do I know what punctuation to use? From Scott. Punctuation can be a little tricky, but it's not that hard once you understand what all the symbols mean and what they do. Here are some of the punctuation marks we see a lot. Let's start with periods. We use periods to end declarative and imperative sentences. Declarative sentences do just that. They declare something, like Moby is a robot. And imperative sentences request or command someone to do something. Get me my batting glove is an imperative sentence. Anyway, we can end both of these with periods. Will you get me my batting glove? That sentence is interrogative. It asks a question, so we end it with a question mark. So, what do you think? Good. You see how exclamation points are used to end exclamatory sentences. Those are sentences that have a strong statement or exclamation. On to commas. There are a lot of ways to use commas. Here are some of the basics. Pause when you see a comma, and use a comma when you need a pause between parts of a sentence. I need to get pencils, paper, and a notebook for school. My room, the place where I study, is a big mess. Where's the clock? Here we have an example of when to use a colon. You also use colons to introduce or define something. I have sports socks in the following colors: brown, white, and black. In this sentence, the following colors are defined as brown, white, and black. Semicolons join parts of sentences when there's no conjunction used, no and, but, or. They take the place of those words. No, you lost the baseball mitt. I took the blame for it. I remember perfectly. You said, I'll be in big trouble because it's the fourth baseball mitt I've lost. That's how we use quotation marks, by the way, to indicate a person's exact words. The word geology means study of the earth. They can also be used when you're specifying or giving an example of a word or phrase. We're never going to get this cleaned up. Ow, my foot! It really hurts.